Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, I have a pendulum that's 5 centimeters long, and it's swinging through an arc, and the arc is 25 centimeters. And I want to know, what is that angle that's formed? So I'm going to use the formula for arc length to solve this. Arc length equals theta times r. So if I want theta, I'm going to divide both sides by radius, and I will get a formula that says theta equals S over R. But what you have to realize is whenever you're working in this formula, theta is in radians. Okay, so our arc length was 25 and our radius is 5. So that gives us an angle theta of 5 radians. But we want to give our answer in degrees. So to convert to degrees, multiply by 180 over pi. So let's take our angle times 180 over pi. It doesn't tell us how many decimals, so let's say 5 times 180 divided by pi is going to give us approximately 286.48 degrees.